I was a normal kid. I was very athletic. I was a likable kid. I just didn't feel comfortable in school. I had very tough, auditory learning issues, and I just felt really isolated because I felt like I'm not getting this. And I would read a whole paragraph and I wouldn't remember anything. And the teacher would ask me, what did you read? Or, what was the chapter like? And I kind of had a little blank stare on my face after I read it. And so that was very frustrating for me. But when I came to Denver Academy, that all changed. The teachers were there for me every step of the way. The thing that I really enjoyed was I had smaller classrooms, and I just wasn't a number. I just wasn't a name. They know me personally, and they were able to give me that individual attention that I needed for me to learn the way I learned. And I kind of just started to blossom as a student, because I really blossomed as an athlete and as a person outside of school. But when I was in school, I didn't feel like myself until I came to Denver Academy. I was very lucky to play basketball here and then became very successful in baseball here. After Denver Academy, I attended Creighton University where I played basketball and baseball. That was difficult in itself, but then to tie in school with both sports was extremely challenging. But without the tools and without the experience I had at Denver Academy, I don't think that it probably wouldn't have been possible. In fact, I know it wouldn't have been possible. It just wouldn't have, because I wouldn't have had the self-esteem, I wouldn't have had the know-how. I was able to have an opportunity to play pro baseball for a few years before I had a career-ending injury on my elbow. I was a pitcher. And that experience was pretty thrilling, because growing up, all I really wanted to ever do was be a pro athlete, and I didn't know if it was going to be basketball or hockey or baseball. And it came to fruition that I was able to play pro baseball, but then I got hurt, and I decided that I'm not going to be down about this. It's something that happens, and for me, I learned that I'll never give up in anything, and that was something that was instilled at me at Denver Academy. Without Denver Academy, my life is not as enriched as it is today as a person. Denver Academy has enriched my life and my family's life beyond any amount of money you could ever think about having. As soon as I came here, I felt very, very comfortable. I mean, literally almost every teacher I had at Denver Academy has some sort of an influence on my life. That's what Denver Academy's teachers and Denver Academy does. They do that for every student. That's not just me. That's how they make every student. Being out of school, being out of athletics, and being in business, I look back at Denver Academy and it is probably one of the most important places in my life. It really is. Please give Denver Academy a chance, because if you let it, it'll change your life. It really will. It'll change your life forever. You'll see improvement. You'll see joy in your son or daughter's life that they probably haven't seen academically, socially, emotionally. Just let the miracle happen, because for me, that's the experience that I had, and my brother at Denver Academy. Denver Academy lets you learn the way you learn, and then you can excel from that. Just because you learn differently doesn't mean you can't accomplish whatever you want. I mean, honestly, if any kid has the opportunity to go to Denver Academy, it will change your life forever. Just be willing, work hard, and you will have some of the best experiences of your life. If you have that opportunity to come to Denver Academy, please come. It's a special, special place.